take these 2 push pins out, just use a trim tool. Slide those out. Take this push pin out right here. If you have to, you can remove the wheel, but we don't have to. And there's another push pin right here on the side. Pull that one off and take this bolt out right here. Use a 10mm socket. And pull the cover, slide it right down, and just use a pick, get underneath this hose, loosen it up, twist it back and forth, and slide it off. Just like that. Set that out of the way. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the lock tab, slide it off. There's a little lock right here. You have to push down on the lock, and you should be able to twist the whole thing. And then just slide it out. That's where the lock is. It latches if you push down on that right there. Take a rag, clean out that area a little bit. Take the new valve, line it in position, and lock it in place. Take the connector, lock it in place. And then take the hose and slide it on, back in position. Take this cover, slide it back in position. And I'm gonna take the bolt, get that started. Before I tighten this up, I'm gonna put the push pins in. Start with this one on the side, and lock that one down, and put the rear ones in. Lock them in place. And get this front one lined up. All right, lock that one in. We're good. Tighten up the bolt.